So when I was slewing on Declination, this thing was making a knocking noise. And I got to thinking, maybe it's the belt that runs the worm gear. And it did turn out to be the issue. And so here you can see the motor and the belt's over here. So there are two screws that tighten the motor in place. And that's what keeps the tension on the belt. So I noticed this belt, if you push down on it, you can see how much it flexes. And the documentation says it should only have 3 millimeters of flex. It was actually pretty loose. And so what I did is I took an Allen key and I loosened these two bolts. You can also actually take your hand and pull it down, and it puts tension on the belt once this is loose, and then tighten those two Allen screws. And so basically that's all it was. Once I tightened this belt down, my knocking noise went away. So we can see how it sounds now.